Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's another day. I just got Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you all doing good. It's another day, another vlog. Yay, don't mind the messiness in my room. I just finished editing and today is Friday and we have a site visit. I don't actually vlog on Fridays and I don't think so. I vlogged on Friday, maybe once, I don't know, but yeah, today is Friday and I wanna take you guys Friday with me, and plus we have a site visit today in Westlands and I don't know the full information and we will know it later. And I wanna show you guys behind the site visit today, and it's Friday, okay? I don't know how many times I said it's Friday, but I don't usually post on Fridays because that is actually my posting day on YouTube. And let's spend the day together. Yeah, it's 10:47 and I have only 40 minutes, 30 minutes, I don't know, but let's go. I don't know, but every time I'm happy in my vlogs, a lot of people just get to watch my vlogs whenever I'm happy or I open the vlog with you know. So let's spend the day together. I just got school and I'm going back to get something to eat. Yeah, let's go. This is actually the kind of breakfast I eat every day at school, imagine. Yeah. Oh my god. Day 5. Hi guys. Hi. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. Yay. Today we have a site visit and it's on Westlands. I did the full information, but
Yeah,
if you can
stay
stop,
tuned.
Stay tuned for this. Yes. Yeah.
Construction.
Say cheese. Cheese. It's recording. Say something. Interview. Tuanze na Cindy. Kamera iko karibu.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Hit the notification wherever.
Yeah.
Arrived.
Yes. Let's go.
So hi guys. Wait, we start again.
Yeah. He's gonna explain to you guys, yeah, the whole information.
So it's an office design for Bamburi Cement. Still under construction, as you can see. Say hi guys. Yeah, and we came to see the progress. We'll be back. No, we'll be back. We'll be back.
So most of the clips here were filmed by Lyyn. I don't know why, but she was really enjoying it and she accidentally filmed some of the clips in slow motion. And yeah, at the time I was filming, I didn't really have much information about Bamburi Cement, but here is what I know for now. They have 5 branches and this is their 6th branch, which is located in Westlands. That the interior design work is still ongoing, and I think we'll be going back in a few weeks once everything is done. At least I hope so. We also got to try some of the hand works, like a bit of drilling and cutting the board, just practicing and learning how they do everything on site. It was actually so fun. Oh my god, I enjoyed myself. We actually took some group pictures with the design company's team, with our school group as well, and that was it. We left after the site and hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. We are done with the
quite busy.
Yes. Guys, we are done with the sites and now we are going home, but of course I'm in Westlands, so I have to go to Karak and go. That is a must. So yeah, let's go together. I'm left here all alone because I decided to go to Karak and go, and the others are going to school to drop their gears, and I'm waiting for my cup. I really want to walk because it was a distance of 1.6 kilometers. Yeah. Let me wait. It's 3 minutes. Is it this one? 11. No, it's not this one. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Literally, I'm so disappointed in myself. Like, what do you mean? I went there to journal, relax, and just enjoy my time, but I didn't even took my journal out of the bag. I just sat there scrolling on my phone and taking pictures. But at least I got a few nice shots for the thumbnails, you know. I hope so that counts. Oh my god. There was so many people and it was a bit loud since it was in the evening, you know. So, and the funniest part is that the person sitting right across from me was Salma. I think she's the owner. I'm not sure, but if you're watching this, hi Salma. Anyways, I ordered an iced karak and 2 cookies, which I always love. Honestly, that was the best part of the whole visit. I ate 1 cookies and ordered an Uber and just went home. And yeah, that was the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and let me know in the comment what I should do in my next vlogs. And okay, bye guys. Bye. I'll see you in my next vlog.